In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare files and folders in Google Drive. Whether you're trying to maintain privacy or simply tidy up your sharing settings, knowing how to unshare items on Google Drive can be very useful. So let's dive into the process together. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see a list of all the files and folders you have stored in the cloud. Take a moment to locate the specific file or folder you wish to unshare. You can use the search bar at the top if you're having trouble finding it among your documents. Once you've found the file or folder, go ahead and click on it to select it. This action should bring up a toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the icon that looks like a little person with a plus sign or simply the word share and click on it. This will open up a dialog box that shows who currently has access to your selected file or folder and the type of access they have. Now, you'll need to go through the list of people who have access. Hover your mouse over the name of the person or email address you want to remove. You should see a small X or a trash can icon appear next to their name. Simply click on this icon to revoke their access. If they had editing permissions, removing them will prevent them from making any changes. If they were just viewers, they will no longer be able to see the file or folder. After removing the necessary people from the list, make sure to review any remaining access settings. It's also a good time to check your general link sharing settings at the top of the dialog box. If the link sharing is set to anyone with the link can view, you might want to adjust that unless you're comfortable with anyone accessing your file as long as they have the link. Once you've made all the changes, don't forget to press Save to ensure that your updated sharing settings are applied to the file or folder. If, for any reason, you can't find the Save button, look for an option that says Done and click that instead. Congratulate yourself on successfully unsharing your file or folder, as it's now safely secured from unwanted access. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you have unshared your files and folders in Google Drive. Remember, you can always reshare with anyone at any time if you change your mind or need to grant access again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more Google Drive tips and tricks.